Hi everyone, it's me Lee with Victorian Dreams by Lee. Thank you for stopping by. So this video is a project share, but it's really a March Madness hop. And I was asked to be in a hop by Kimmy, um, and all the links are down below, but she put together, her and I think Debbie Adams put together 17 designers. And I'm one of them. I can't believe it. Some of them are way, way better than me. So I'm like, are you sure you want me in this? But yeah. So the theme is St. Patrick's Day or Mardi Gras. And I'm like, oh, what am I going to do? So I found graphic 45 paper. That's what I was going to do. So let me tell you real quick before I show you my projects what the rules are. So there's 17 designers. Most are giving away a prize. I think like two aren't. They're going to be out of town. But so I'm giving away $20 to PayPal, and other people are too. And you could win two or three because we're not comparing who won on the other one. So you could win more than one. So good luck. I hope you do. Um, you must be a subby to me. You must comment on mine and on all others. You must also be a subby to all the other 16 of them, 17 with me all together. You must like, comment, and be a subby to all of us. And it's going to take me and all of us until April 6th to go back and forth and make sure you're subbed and you commented and all that to figure out who the winner is. And we're all going to do individual drawings for the winner. So on April 6th, I'm pretty sure is when we're going to do the drawing. I think that was the date. And you could share all you like, and that would be grateful. And all the designers links are right down below, with all my links are down below. So let me show you what I got. So I used the Graphic 45 Midnight Masquerade. I'm lucky enough to live by a Tuesday morning, so look how cheap I got it, $3.99. And there's not much left, but there is still a few pieces left. I have one, two, three, four full sheets. So I did pretty good. I could have made a couple more items. So that's what I used. And here's the first simple little one. And I did a tutorial on this in my links. It's a four-sided Tussie Mussy. And this one I just made real simple and easy. It actually holds 4 pieces of candy. Easter's right around the corner. You could do this for Easter. And I'll put the link to this down below so that it is literally an 8-minute tutorial on how to make this 4-sided Tussie Mussy. If you join Glue Gun Chronicles, I also gave the pattern in there. My group is called Glue Gun Chronicles on Facebook. So yeah, this sign has to stay there because of the light is glaring down. So sorry about that. So there's that. I think that's pretty cute. Let's see. I made a big item and then a little item. So I was trying out a new floret thing, and I made these, and I'm not happy with it because I had to go back and use my bone folder and scoreboard, so I think I'm going to return that. But I made those. I made a card, but my big thing is coming. I made a card. This is a Z card, and I made that to gift when I gift all this away. And then I made an album. So this right here was, remember at Michael's years ago, they had the frames, 3 of them for $1.50. It matched perfectly. So I grabbed it out, and then I had this in my stash. I don't even remember what size this is. So it is 5 by 6. So let me show you inside. It's really quick and easy. I made it in one day. It's like a brag book. Both sides are the same, so let's just go through one side. Here is the tuck spots, and the cards that came in it. And then it, let's see, it opens this way. Let's see, there we go. There's that. And then this is a Graphic 45 tag. We're using Graphic 45 paper, so I use Graphic 45 tag. Fit perfectly in there. Photo will fit here. Photo here. Another tuck spot. Another tuck spot. And then it opens this way. And then the back is like this. So let me stand it up. So it's accordion fold. And instead of totally accordion fold, I put two together to have a pocket like that. So, and if we untied this one, you'll see that it's equal and the same. So it's really cute and easy project. I hope you like it. I hope that you go and check out all the other ladies. A couple of them own their own businesses where they sell paper, like Graphic 45 and stuff like that. Some of them work for paper companies. And so there's a lot of us in this, and it's a nice hop. Everyone's really nice, and everyone's been really sweet. So I had a great time getting to talk to the ladies in our message group and everything. And it's been fun. It's been fun getting to know everyone. So all my links are down below with everyone that's in it. I hope you go comment and become a subby and have chances to win. Other people are giving out prizes and money. And my links are down below for my Facebook blog, Victorian Dreams by Lee. Glue Gun Chronicles is down below. And if you want this pattern, just join my group. And here's a card, and yeah, so there's the three projects. This was practice. Yeah, I can throw those away. So anyway, I hope you like what I showed you and what I made. I want to say one more time, thank you so much, Kimmy, for thinking of me. And I know we've been good friends, and we talk, you know, once a week or twice a week on the phone all the time. But yeah. Now that I've calmed down, maybe I should start over, but I was rushy. Oh, I was so nervous. I hope I did okay, guys. I've been really nervous doing this. Thank you so much for joining me.